Hello everyone. Now I am presenting our project Unified Knowledge AI Meeting System. It is an AI-powered meeting assistant that turns any online meeting into structured learning materials or professional reports automatically. The platform starts with a clean authentication system. Once logged in, the user lands on dashboard where all their past meetings are listed along with quick stats like total meetings, transcribed sessions, and generated materials. The heart of the app is Meeting Room. It is built with WebRTC for real-time peer-to-peer video conferencing. Participants can toggle their camera and microphone, send chat messages, and most importantly, the host can start recording. Once recording begins, the audio is transcribed in real time. After the meeting ends, the real magic happens. When the user clicks generate materials, the system uses our FLAN T5 model, which has been fine-tuned on the QM data set to detect the meeting type, whether it is a lecture or professional meeting. For a lecture, AI generates four types of content: multiple choice questions, flashcards for quick revision, discussion questions for deeper understanding. There is also an AI chatbot that lets users ask up follow-up questions about the meeting content. For professional meeting, it generates an executive summary, key decisions, action items with ownership and deadlines and next steps. On the tech side, the front end is built with React 19 and White, styled with Tailwind CSS, and uses Justin for state management. The backend runs on Node.js with Express and Socket.io connected to MongoDB through Mongoose. All AI operations from meeting classification to content generation to the chatbot are powered by FLAN T5, fine-tuned on QM some data set for meeting summarization and understanding. Thank you for watching.